All right, gang. Welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. I hope everybody had a great day, a fantastic day today. Um, Today we're gonna go into top-down analysis in a sec, but we got killed today. We did catch a great trade earlier today, um, but then took a couple of trades during New York session, and we we got wrapped up in this drop here. We took trades bouncing off this resistance, which I'll mark up in a second. And but yeah, broke the low, and yeah, we took a hit today. But right, we can't win them all, right? It happens. But let's move on, right? Now we're gonna mark up our charts here. We did get a break the structure, which is fantastic. So I'm gonna mark this up real quick here. So we have our highs there, and we have our lows here on the 4 hour. So, all right, so this is my expectation, right, gang? Now, this is the excuse me, this is the simple chart here. We were ranging in this area here, started trickling down here, but then finally broke below. We got the closure. So this is my prediction, just off the simple analysis, right? This is what I think. Tap here, gonna come back and retest, right? And then we're gonna get the drop down to, we might come down here. Could be that 25.90 range, more or less. I think we're gonna come down to this area, anywhere in this box here. That's my prediction. Now, we might be able to catch the buys up after a little pullback, take the buys up to about this 26.30, 26.33 range. If we remain below, then more likely this is the break, right? Break, retest, and then the continuation down. So that's the move. I'm expecting a bounce, right? So from here, I'm expecting the move back up. Now, we do break below this, right? You see this resistance here and then support, right? So this level right here, right in that purple box, if we break below that, we do have resistance around 25.58, 25.60. But then, yeah, we're going to be coming down to this level. But this level, guys, this took forever to break out of. Look how many we rejected from that area before we broke out. And when we broke out, look at what, I mean, we ran up big time. So, yeah, a break of this level, we'll have a stop here, right? We'll be contending with that, but that's still it's about 400 pip drop. Then we got from there about another 250 pip drop from here. So these are the ranges, overall. But right now we got the break. Now I'm waiting for a retest, continuation, and then I'll be looking for buy positions right down in this area here. If we break below, that's fine. We'll manage risk. We're gonna have a tight stop loss down here anyway, and then we'll see how it reacts at this level, and so on and so forth. But I think this is the area we're looking, anywhere between 25.90 to about 25.60. So let's see how big this correction is gonna be. But if we can catch the sell from here, we'll be in good shape, right? So let's see what the reaction is gonna be on gold. All right, delete all this stuff here, and let's drop it to the 1 hour here real quick. Yeah, you could get a clearer view. You see the support here. See how we got the break, and now we're kind of pulling back up. So we might re-tap into this 26.30, 26.33-ish, and then the continuation down. So let's see. I mean, we might get a bit of a little pullback first here. Maybe excuse me, retest this low. Excuse me. Let me see if I can mark that up here. 26.08. maybe, I mean, I don't know. It's possible. You know, it's possible to see something like this instead, right? Come back and retest the support, bounce up, right? And then we get the continuation down. So that's possible too. You know, we'll see how it reacts, but because we already bounced off this level, now we're kind of ranging here. You know, we might get a bit of a push up and then look for sells but if we close back in the range here, then this could have been the low here, and then I'm gonna go right back into this range and probably retest these highs here. So I guess we're gonna have to wait, right? Wait for the candles to print, and let's stay patient. If we get an entry tonight, we get it. If we don't, then it's all good. We wait till tomorrow. All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Unreal. NASDAQ, so this is the level here, right? We bounced off that, dropped. This is on the 1 hour. I'm doing this actually. And that was our low. We ranged and ranged and ranged here all day, and then we just started pumping up early morning hours, and this thing just ripped up. When it came up to this level here, when this candle closed bearish here, back in the range, right? Back below, I took the sells here, and we saw slight profit when this thing wigged down, but then, man, ripped up and took us out. So yeah, rough day in the markets for me today, to be honest, but no big deal. You know, we've been having a great month overall. Today was just a rough day. With that said, we might see some more upside here. Let me go to the 4 hour on the NASDAQ. I want to show you guys something. So, right, see this level right here? Better yet, even if I move it up to this level here, right? You see how we wicked right into it? So this is our resistance level right here on the 4 hour. And we got a clean break, top wick, bottom wick. Now this candle making its bottom wick, closing about 27 minutes or so. But this could be the break, retest. You know, probably look better, let's say on the 30 minute. See how we got the break, now the retest. See, it started trickling down, and then we might get a bounce up. This thing can run, man. Yeah, I mean 20,300 is the first target. That's the first target. You look at it off the daily, then the targets get much bigger. Look at this target up here, 20,700. So we got a strong bullish closure that closed above that 4 hour resistance. We got that clean break, took out the previous daily highs right after making a bottom wick. So yeah, we got strong momentum. We do have news tomorrow, so you know, sometimes this technical analysis can indicate one thing, but news can just tank it or drive it up. At the end of the day, we'll have to wait, right? But yeah, based off the technicals, NASDAQ is bullish all the way through. So the 4 hour looks the nicest here. You know, we got a break of this level right here, clean break, retest, and yeah, we get a bullish closure here. I might be looking for buy positions up, grab this range right here. We'll see. The NASDAQ is looking clean for buys for sure at this point. And gold, again, got the breakout right from this level. Now we're just waiting for the retest and the continuation to the downside. So yeah, gang, we got about 25 minutes to candle closures here. So let's hang tight and let's wait and see. You know, we might close bullish here on this 4 hour. I mean, kind of doji, but we got a bullish closure. On the next candle, we'll wait for our bottom wick, and then the impulse up, and we'll catch the range here. We can catch about 100 pips. So I'll be looking for an entry. Let's say, assuming it were to close now, I would look for an entry probably maybe around 20. Yeah, like something there, like halfway down this candle. So I'll wait for a pullback, tap into that level, take our buys up. Stops will be below the wicks here. And yeah, then we'll ride it up. So that's somewhat the plan, but we'll see. Sometimes this next candle can open and just rip up. If that's the case, then I'll wait to see how it reacts at this level, and then if we fail to break, then get a bearish closure. Probably for a position like that, I'll probably take that like off the 30-minute, if anything. But we'll see. All right, gang. So let's be patient. Let's wait these 24 minutes, and we'll pop on the charts, and we'll see what we can do. But that's my top-down analysis for now. That's the move we're looking for on gold. We're looking for a retest, right? So I'm expecting this to pop back up and tap this level, and then continue down. So we get a pullback. Look for buys right around this area, 26.16, 26.15, right around that area. Look for a buy position, and then take the buys up. And then look for sell positions here, and see if we're going to bounce and continue down. I think we're going to hit this. Well, I actually deleted it, but let me just read now. Yeah, I think we're coming down to this area here. Right in that. Let me put on that way. Yeah, right there. So yeah, I'm looking for us to come down to this level down there. All right, gang. So let's hang tight. 22 minutes, and we'll see what positions we can get. All right, gang. So hang tight. I'll be right back. All right, gang. Let's take a look at the no closure here. We got a closure coming up in about a minute with the Nasdaq. Nasdaq looking good. We're gonna get a bearish close on the 4-hour here on the Nasdaq. Off the 1 hour, we got the break, pretest. I might be taking these buys here on the Nasdaq, gang. Let's see if the next candle opens with a small wick down. I'll try to jump in on the Nasdaq as well. Get a little bit of a pull down here. I'll be ready for entries there. Let's take a look at gold right quick. We wait for that to set up. All right, let's see if we can come down and tap this area here. Okay, right around that 2616 range. There we go. All right, we might pull down. If we pull down, that'll be nice. I'll look for buys maybe around this area and use these wick lows as our stops down here. If this thing just drives up, then I'll wait for it to test that level up there. I want Nasdaq to give me a bottom wick here. We get a bottom wick, flip, I'll get in. That's kind of the move that I want to catch here, but I want the bottom wick. So no entry yet on the Nasdaq just yet. I want to see if we get a bottom wick first. Let's see if we get activated, gang, here within the hour. Maybe this 1 hour candle can drop down and activate us there. And then we get the push up. It looks like it wants to push up and get rid of this for now. We mark that resistance here on that 1 hour. And we got a closure above that there. If it starts breaking above, take out the highs there, it should run up. I actually wouldn't mind getting in, but come back to the NASDAQ real quick. I'm keeping an eye on it because I want to. Yeah, I was hoping to get the pullback here, get this tap in here, but we tapped into that level here with the previous 1 hour candle. Then we came back up, we rebroke the previous 1 hour highs. Might not be so bad to try to get in here. Already got the break, retest. Yeah, gold is breaking above this right here. See, I came down and made this bottom wick here, but you know, I was anticipating a steeper wick down to this range here and then catch that bounce, but got the little pullback. Now it's starting to break above. Might let this go and see how it reacts up here. Look at the NASDAQ. I might take this entry off the rip here though. Yeah, I'm gonna take a buy here on the NASDAQ. Take a buy there on NAS100. Let's placing that order real quick here. All right, gonna keep tight stops here though. Gonna be right below this wick right here at around let's say 20,090, right around there. And then my target's gonna be range. top of that wick there. All right, we're in. We're in on the NASDAQ here. If that entry would have been down here where I was waiting for that wick to come down, and it might still do that, but it's struggling to come down. So I figured, let me just take that entry in. I would have used this wick low, but I'm using this wick low here to manage risk. I want to keep the stop loss tight there. Let's see. We're in profit now. Put it. And keep in mind, and this deal, I'm the broker. Your price might be much different on the NASDAQ when it comes to your broker. So it might be off by 15, 20 points. So now it wants to come down. Look at that. See where gold is at. Gold might still come down and give us that here. See how it rejected here. So it's still rejecting this level here. I'll still wait for it to come down to this area here. I'll see how I feel about it, especially, depending the time as well. This thing might be just ranging here and then just come down and re-break this low and continue to drive down. That's possible too. This area here is where I want to look for some buys down here at 25.90, 25.85 range. We'll see. See if the NASDAQ will drive us up tonight. Let's go looking at. Hey, here we go, gang. We're getting that pullback here on gold. All right, let me remove this. I want to clean up the chart. I want to see. Like I said, this area here, I'd be interested in some buys around this range right down here. Right in there. Okay, you see this kind of consolidation area? This 30-minute candle has no bottom wick. Might just come down, tap into that level. Maybe even tap down here and then bounce. We'll see. We'll see. I might go half risk from here though. But let's see if it'll drive down. I'll let it play out. We're already in this NAS trade, so let's see how this one goes in the meantime. Yeah, we're currently about 2.5 pips in drawdown here. Here we go. All right, we're running up on NASDAQ here now. How am I looking on this trade? All right, not too bad. It's struggling like it. Starts to push up, comes back down, stuck. Not doing much. NASDAQ moves slow though during Asia. A lot more volatility later on during London, but let's see if maybe we can just at least make the push up to the top of the range here, and we'll look to go break even somewhere around here. 15-20 pips up. We'll look to go break even, and maybe we'll get this wick fill. I took this entry here, like I mentioned, we got the breakout, right? Push up, got the retest, right? We tap right into this level, break and retest, and then continuation to the upside. That's the analysis behind this particular trade on the NASDAQ. This wick did come down here. I was hoping it would have come down and tap here, but our entry probably would have been this one here is where I would have wanted to get in. But again, it's I was waiting for candle closures. I wanted to see how this candle was going to print. So once we came in to confirm that it closed above the range, then when this one made the top wick, when it came down slightly, that's when I took the entry here. Now it's all in the hands of probability, right? We have a tight stop loss here. It's not a big stop loss. There's about 30 pips, or as some of you might know, it's 300 pips. So very short stop loss, but good risk reward on this trade. So let's hang tight, gang. And that's all while we're waiting for this bad boy to set up, because gold is going to be a money maker this week. I just want to know if this was the bottom here, or are we going to come down here? Is this what it looks like to me? As you see this impulse correction, right? And then the impulse to continue down. But I would think that the correction might come back and retest, right? Because once we broke out, we never came back to retest the level it broke, which was this strong support level right here. So once we broke out, we still haven't come back to retest. That's why I'm expecting this to pull down, right? I want to see if I can catch an entry in this area here, then ride it back up here, and then, you know, probably exit our trades right in this area in the this resistance now, and then probably look for the continuation to look back to the downside. He's looking to re-break its own high here. There it goes. All right, re-broke its own high, pushing up. Nice, very nice. All right, see if we can continue to push up. We're moving up here. You can see here, I'm up about $50 on this trade, more or less. Let's see if we're gonna start pumping up. All right, we broke its own high again. It's moving up. Once we take out this minor resistance here, I might go break even. Yeah, right around that 12-13 pip range. You know, can't be too confident. You know, we take what the market gives us. You know what I mean? If I can make $150, $130, at least go break even at the least. So, but not yet, not yet. I'm willing to risk this. Like I said, gang, I know what I'm risking on this trade. And again, it's the setup. This thing could definitely run up and grab this wick up here. Doesn't mean though it might not come back down, test, maybe when wick down, re-break back up, and a lot can happen. So we have to protect our capital when we get the opportunity. So, you know, it's coming right back down. But you get that push up, then we can definitely go break even at 12, 13 pips profit. And then we'll deal with the results from there. I want to see it push up a little more. Come on, Nas, what are you gonna do? A bit more of a push here, a little bit more. Oh, well, that spiked down. I was waiting for it to break above there to go break even, and look at that, spiked right back down. All right, let's give it another shot and see what it's gonna do here. Ooh, wow, I was about to go break even there too. All right, let's see if we're gonna survive this. This thing just flipped. Wow. All right, let's see if this support is gonna hold. Oh, another bounce back, pull right back up. Oh, we got some volume though. Let's see if that volume will push us up here, gang. Let's see. Look at gold right quick. See what it's doing. Okay, gold flipping, right? So we got the pull down, gave us the bottom wick, took out this wick low here. Excuse me. Now we're reflipping. We got 12 minutes tipped. Excuse me. If this candle, yeah, if this candle kind of closes above this level, yeah, we would assume it's gonna come and do the retest. If that's the case, I'll let it go and probably look for sells in this area here. Let's see, it has to close. It might just continue to consolidate sideways here. And again, if we get the pullback down here or to this range down here or below the purple box somewhere in here, I could take a half risk trade up. Because again, remember we might have made this correction. It goes range sideways, then comes down and drops down here. That's possible as well. We'll see. I feel like it has to retest this level it broke. Once we broke out, again, like I mentioned, it hasn't come back to retest. So I'm expecting that retest and then the continuation down. All right. Let's see where we're at here. Let's come back to the NASDAQ. Now that I'm thinking about it, initially, remember I had the buy limit right at this level here, would have been activated. Then it started run up, and then just got a fast spike all the way down, tap right into that level too. It's all good, no. So it tapped in here. Now, once we came back to retest again, we'll start seeing it run up now. No, this candle didn't go anywhere. 2 minutes left, and it's just kind of ranged here. Okay. We'll give it some more time. Let's see what we can run up here. I want to take out these highs here. We came close, but then just kind of dropped after. But it's working its way back up. Again, they tested this level twice. You see the wicks here. So the support is holding. After we broke out, we came, like I said, retested. Yeah. This resistance now turns support is holding here. Oh, you know, after this retest, I'm expecting to bounce up. If it breaks back below and closes below, we probably get stopped out here. If it reverses and we get a closure below, then we can look for sells back down. But again, looks like this thing wants to keep running up. All right, 40 seconds till this candle closure here. Let's see what we're gonna get. All right, 1 hour close bearish. Let's see. This is good. This candle open with no top wick, so it's gonna come down, make a bottom wick. See if this support holds here, and then 1 hour should flip. Once it reflips, then we should get a pretty decent push up. Let's see. Let's hope this bottom wick is not too steep. It'll take us out here. Look out the previous 1 hour lows. Let's see if we get the flip here. Yeah, I'm keeping stops there, gang. Right below this wick. It comes down, taps us out. So good. We'll take it for what it is, even though it might come back down and take out that low. Came down, we broke the previous 1 hour lows. Want this thing to stop, reflip. Let's see what happens, gang. I want to take this wick low out here. I'm going to take that low out. Not yet. Oh, down here. We get wicked out here. Yeah, we got wicked out. All right, gang, I'm out of this trade. It stops. Wow. Strong push down. All right, 30 pips. We lost 30 pips on that trade there, but yeah, no top wick either. Brutal by NASDAQ. It's breaking back into the range here, but you know, now at this point it's all about the candle closure. But came down, took out those lows, and it might reflip. Might want to flip and push back up, but that was suck. If it wicks us out and then it reflips bullish, that was suck. But let's see. It might even want to come down and test this minor support right here. See the support level right here before it bounced up. Who knows? It might come and tap that and then reflip. But we're out of it, gang. Again, it was a tight stop loss. Small risk there. Let's see. But it's breaking back into the range here, so if it breaks back into the range, it's all the way back down here. Very, very possible. Let's take a look at gold and see where this is at. Again, also ripping down, no top wick here. You can see that, no top wick here, but again, this is the area of interest for me on gold. So yeah, we started pulling down here. Wow, it's starting to wick back up here. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes. I just want to see if this was gonna just come wick us out and then flip. If this thing keeps driving down, then more likely, especially if we break below this level here, yeah, this thing is gonna come all the way back down. A lot of sell opportunities here. Catch this whole range down. Those sells are pretty good if you can close below here, but keeping in mind there's no top wick here. So, you know, that's my concern here, if anything. And I was gonna go break even too. When we pumped up here, I was waiting for it to break that resistance level, and then I was gonna go break even, but just pull right back down, and it didn't give me enough time to go break even there. No big deal, gang. On to the next trade, right? It's gonna pull back up a little bit. Yeah, but either way, gang, like I said, if right, you guys are gonna keep trading, buys still look good here. If we flip, right, we came down and took out these lows here, and you know, made this bottom wick here. But if we reflip, especially if this thing flips bullish to make this top wick within the next 47 minutes, right? If this candle can flip bullish, you know, it's very possible this thing is going to continue to drive up. But this thing starts to push down and comes all the way down here, then more likely you're going to close below, and then you got to wait for the break of this level right here. This is off the 1 hour. wait for a closure below there, and then take your sells now. All right, gang. But again, lost 30 pips here on NAS today. No big deal. Yesterday we had a big winner, and yeah, we'll take it for what it is, man. My platform members, we will be trading the New York session tomorrow. And again, thanks for tuning in, gang. Thanks for hanging out. And tomorrow we'll be gone. We'll come back right back at it and get back on the horse, right? And yeah, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on the way out. And I appreciate you guys. And everyone have a great night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.